If you don't like sugar but still crave sweets, then this keto carrot cake is your answer. Start with 1 1/4 cups of almond flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar substitute, and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of shredded carrots. Mix it all up. Now, in another bowl, crack 3 medium eggs. Whisk them together with 1/2 cup of keto milk and 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil or butter. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then fold in 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Pour the batter into a 9-inch round pan lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool completely. For the frosting, mix a container of cream cheese with 4 tablespoons of powdered sweetener using a hand mixer. Pipe the creamy goodness onto your cooled cake in a pretty floral pattern. And voila! Enjoy your guilt-free keto carrot cake with luscious cream cheese frosting. Happy baking!